everyone, welcome back. I'm glad to see you. So today we are reviewing Eaglestone electric target shooting kit. So this is recommended for ages 8 and older. So for the youngsters, you got to be a little careful because of all the different pieces. You know, there's a lot of small pieces. So it is highly recommended for 8 and older. Let's get unboxing, show you what's inside. So this is going to be a fun for kids, teens, and adults because they have a game here, but you also can come up with your own game and ideas. Okay guys, let's show you a little up close what's actually in the box right out of the box. That way you guys know. So this is how it looks right out of the box. Everything is nice and neat and organized. They also have a sticker on here that says how to load. So you have the different tracks, just like this. You got your ammo tracks. So you got 1, 2 in there. Looks like you might have different numbers, so probably for the game. Same as over in here. Here's the gun itself. So it's a nice little sleek, stylish gun. Pretty cool. Cock it back. So that's how you would load it to shoot. And here you got plenty of ammo. Check that out, guys. Wow, that's a lot of ammo. Make sure you pull everything out. Now, the base is underneath it. So we're gonna pull that base off. All right, so we put the batteries in. Let's go ahead and place this back on. So I'm curious to see how it sounds. All right, once you got everything filled in, like we do, then you take your ammo slot. Now, you would fill the bullets in each one, and it would get filled in pretty simple. So, the yellow end, the hard end points out, so you just slide it in like this. Each one gets filled in the same exact way. And you fill this up the whole way. It should slide nice and easy inside, just like this. So you would start the gun like this. Line it up. Now what you do is you pull this back, and you should be able to shoot. Yep, see, just like that. So guys, it's a lot of fun. So it says the battery is low, I believe, so that's why it's not counting, and that's why it keeps flashing, I believe. We'll have to see. But yeah, overall, it's fun.